It takes almost 16 seconds to cover 100 meters on the map while you are unarmed, and almost 17 seconds while carrying an assault rifle in your hand. You can jump across these buildings with a bunny hop. You can hide in this tree near the school building and attack your enemies easily. Never block a bridge in this manner. Your opponent may take a different route. Hide behind these cars and wait for them to come near you. During the war mode, you can see what gun you're carrying by rotating the I button towards the side. Always hold the grenade for a few seconds in your hand and then throw it. It doesn't give your opponent a chance to run away from it. You can hide near the window of these houses to trick your opponent and kill them easily. The blue zone does damage as follows. The first circle does 0.4 damage per second, second circle 0.6, 0.8, 1, 3, 5, 8, 11, and 14. You can climb the bridge in this manner and aim from the top for easy kills. Ever wondered how to pick up items kept on such crates? Park a vehicle near it and climb over it in this manner. You can hide underwater in this way. Just hold a Molotov, lay down, and slowly move towards the water. Keep moving to stay hidden. The bar above your health bar is divided into 4 levels. The first level heals 1 health per second. The second does 2 per second, the third does 3 per second, and the fourth does 4 per second. The levels last for 1 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute 30 seconds, and 30 seconds respectively. Moreover, you get a plus 2.5% movement speed boost at level 3 and 6.2% boost at level 4. An energy drink can boost it up to 40%. A painkiller can boost it up to 60%, and an adrenaline shot can boost it up to 100%. In simple words, we can say that an energy drink gives you 23 health points, a painkiller gives you 40 health points, and an adrenaline shot gives you 86 health points. Let's talk about suppressor, compensator, and the flash hider. In simple words, the flash hider helps in hiding the muzzle flash drive of a weapon. Compensator is used to reduce the recoil of a weapon, and the suppressor helps in hiding the muzzle flash and also reducing the volume of a gunshot. Here's Here's how you check your vehicle stats. This is the fuel indicator. This tells you about the vehicle's health, and this shows the tire condition. While picking up ammo, exchange your gun twice to get additional ammo already loaded in the rifle. You can trap your opponent in the cave by blocking the entrance with a Jeep and blast it. One of the best ways to get the Weapon Master badge is to jump at the end of the map. You'll see many offline players who could be killed easily. In case of quick evacuation, you can carry 3 members on a buggy in this manner. Keep in mind to drive slowly. You can climb the roof of most of the houses in this manner. Here's a fun tip. You can use a stun grenade to distract your teammates from looting a crate or a drop.